Come with me to enter observation data to Nature's Notebook, my citizen science project. First, let's talk about the origin of Nature's Notebook. Nature's Notebook was created by the U.S. National Phenology Network, or the NPN. This is a program used to collect, store, and analyze data on the phenology phases of plants and animals. The NPN consists of a national coordinating office, thousands of volunteer observers, scientists, resource managers, educators, and policymakers. Together, these people work together to advance the science of phenology and to inform decisions as a part of the NPN. In their words, phenology is like nature's calendar. It is the study of cyclic and seasonal changes that are natural to plants and animals. Understanding these changes is important to understand changes in climate or precipitation, food webs, abundance of organisms, and more. Nature's Notebook is a program created by the NPN. This is where scientists and non-scientists like myself can actually become observers and enter phenology data that will aid in decision-making on local, national, and global scales to ensure the continued vitality of our environment. It is accessible on the internet from any device or their mobile app. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using the website on my cell phone. This is exactly what you see when you enter Nature's Notebook into your browser. The display is super organized and easy to follow, so navigating the program is not hard at all. The homepage tells you 3 easy steps to take in order to become an observer. It also includes the other things the program offers, like featured campaigns, a page that shows you exactly how your data will be used, and even shows you how to create your own phenology program. For this video, I will be solely focused on the entering and understanding of my observation data. Once you create an account, you can click this orange button that says My Observation Deck. This will take you to your personal observation homepage. The first thing you see here are 5 learning modules that include lessons that will take you through the entire process of observing and entering your data. These modules give in-depth but easy to follow information about phenophases in general, which is the base of the whole program. Although they aren't required, they are really helpful. If you look down here, this is where most of your information will go. Under the Sites tab is where you can enter the location of your observation site. As you can see, I chose my backyard, but you can pick anywhere you want. Under My Plants and Animals is where you can choose and add which plant or animals you want to observe. I observed a black oak tree, black walnut tree, and a white pine. The details about your chosen plants or animals can be found in the next column. Since the black oak tree was clicked on, it's showing information on this species of tree. The last column is a place you can enter your data at. Here, it will give you a digital version of the data sheet to fill out for each plant or animal. Now let's get into my observation data. When I went out to observe, I would take these printed data sheets with me, which allowed me to thoroughly study each plant and write down my observations and any other notes I had. On the top, there are sections to put the date and time you observed. I tried to observe about twice a week for 45 minutes each time. On the side is where it asks you about the phenology phases that can be seen. The rows are color-coded to show sections for leaves, flowers, and fruits for the plant. In these rows, it has a Y for yes, this phase can be seen, an N for no, this phase cannot be seen, a question mark for if you're really not sure or can't tell, and then a blank section for what value. On the back of these sheets, it has the phenology information for the plant so you know exactly what to look for. Once I had collected my data, I would go to the website to actually submit my data to the organization. From your observation deck, you can click on Enter Observation Data and it will take you to the data page. As you can see, it looks pretty similar to the printed data sheet. Once you're here, you can click on the answer you wish to document. When you click on what value, there are many options for you to choose at a certain range, and these ranges are different for each section. Once you're finished entering the data, you can scroll down and click this orange button that says Submit Observations. This will send your data directly to Nature's Notebook. Just so you can visualize the data, here are some before and after pictures of each tree I observed. As you can see, there's barely a difference in the pictures. The only differences were that as it started to get warmer in the last 2 weeks or so, leaf buds and flower buds started to appear in the 2 deciduous trees. Overall, the data throughout this semester was pretty boring due to the fluctuating temperatures. However, this is something I can definitely see myself continuing just because it's so easy and allows me to explore nature a little more in depth.